So, hello everyone. So, welcome back to another lecture in this GIS series. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be seeing how to create a map of the study area. So, in this QGIS, I already created a map of the study area, which is having some stream drainage network and which is showing some digital elevation features on this particular map of the study area. So, here in today's area, we'll be seeing how to add the longitude, latitudes, then title to this map, then legends, then scale bar. Okay, this all are nothing but the needed features to create the map of the study area. This all are known as the map layout. So we'll be seeing and discussing about that one, how to proceed for that particular thing. So for that, what I'll be doing is I'll be clicking on this option project. So next, here you can see there is a new print layout option. So click on that. So you just give some number or name here to your project print layout. So I will just give it this number and click on OK. You can see here different window is opening. Okay, a different window is opening. So here it is having some page. So I will enlarge it a bit. So next is I will click on this atom properties. This page size you can see it is A4 size. You are having different sizes of the page here. So I will keep it on A4 size itself. Orientation. I will just if I want to change the orientation from landscape format to portrait, I will go in orientation and change it to portrait also. I can do it like that also. Depends on the map what you are using. So orientation, I will just keep it back to landscape. So let it with this itself. No issues in that. It's exactly fine in this case of map what we are preparing. Okay, so the next thing is that I want to add the map. So in the extreme left hand side, you can see there are few of the icons which have been shown here. Okay, so if you keep the cursor on that particular icon, it is showing you what the use of that particular icon is. Okay, so I want to add the map, so I will use this icon. So that is nothing but add map icon. I will click on this icon. So it will just ask me what is the area I want to use for the extent of my map. So I will just drag and drop from here to here. Okay, so this is the area which I have selected for my map. So next you can see I want to add a frame for this map. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will go at the bottom here and click on this frame option. You can see it is showing the color of the frame. If you want to change the color of the frame, you can change it from black to some different color. I will keep it to black. Thickness of the frame, what you want, you can give it here. From 0.3, I will make it 0.8 and just I will click on enter. Okay, so they can see if you come and click in the outside, the frame has been added here. Okay, so I'll click inside. So next thing is that I want to increase the size of this particular map. Okay, increase the size of this particular map. So for that what I will do is I will click on this option move item content, and then I will click on this particular map here. So the map is able to move here. As I move the cursor, the map is also capable of moving. So I want to increase the size, means hold the control button on your keyboard and with the help of the mouse just scroll up. Okay, so as you're scrolling up, you are seeing the size of the map is getting changed. You can see the scale has changed here. Okay, so if I want to change the size, reduce the size, scroll down, and if you want to reduce it, scroll up. Okay, so I think this size is good. So next thing is that I want to add the longitudes and latitudes. So for that what I will be doing is I'll be going for something known as grids. Okay, so in this grids, first of all I should click on add grid. Okay, this add button. So it is showing that one grid one has come here. I will click on that one and I will click on this modify option. So you can see a different appearance window has come. Okay, so here we can add the mm, grid values what we want. So it is showing me the here interval x and y, two values are there. So in this case of map, I will give the x values as 0.5. So I will click on enter. You can see some lines have appear. So next, here in case of y, I will just give the value as 0.25. 36. Okay, I'll just click on enter. So you can see another two horizontal lines have come, two vertical lines, two horizontal lines. Those are nothing but our longitudes and latitudes. Okay, so but it is not showing me any values. So for that, what I will be doing here, I will be going at the bottom. So in the frame section, in the frame style, I will be selecting first interior and exterior ticks. Okay, so you can see here some ticks have appeared here. If you want to increase the thickness of this particular ticks, you can do it, but I will keep it to zero point 0.3 itself. Okay, size, if you want to increase, I can increase it here, no problem. But next thing is that I have to add the coordinates here. So I will scroll down and I will go and check or click on this draw coordinates option. Okay, so you see the values have appeared here. Okay, so once you click on this draw coordinates option, but it is in degrees, so I want to change it to uh, degree minute seconds. So I will click on this option. From here bottom I will select degree minute second. Okay, so you can see the values have changed to degree minute seconds, but at the right and at the left the values are showing in a horizontal manner. So I want to change that one. Means you can see here in the lower bottom. Okay, in the draw coordinates itself, you can change it to uh, from left. You want to change it from left side also, you want to change. Okay, so from here you can, in this horizontal you can select vertical ascending. So you can see here from horizontal it has been created for vertical ascending. So right hand side also want to change, means here in right hand side I will be clicking on this horizontal option, vertical ascending. Again you can see the values have changed here. So in the same way it is small values. So I want to size of the font is very small. So for that I will increase the size, means I have to click on this font option, double click, you can see this thing opens. So in the font style you can give it as Times New Roman, whichever you like. So style, you select it regular, and size you just give it whatever size you want. 42 I will give, it is too big. Okay, so I will select it 32, that is also too big. 28, okay, so I'll select the size 28. Let me see what happens. So I think 28 is fine. Okay, so I will come out of this. So my size has been changed, text style has been changed, but coordinate precision, you can see after point there are three zeros, because here the coordinate precision value is 3. So I will change it to 2. Okay, so you can see here after changing that value to 2, the after point only two zeros are there. So I'm happy with what we have done till here. So next is that I don't want this interior horizontal and vertical lines. So for that what I will do, I will go back here and I'll move it here. So in the grid type, in appearance section, in the grid type from solid, I will convert it to framework and annotations. So you can see the lines have disappeared. So two things we have done, we have added the map, changed its size, added the frame, and I also added the longitude and latitude. The fourth thing is that we have to add the title of the map. So for that, I will click on this option. Then I want to insert the title here. Okay, so I will select this. Okay, so next is whatever title I want to add, I should type it here. So I have selected here, selected this option. So I will give it as map of the study area, map of the study area, map of the study area. So you can see here that same text has been typed here, map of the study area, but the size of the text is very much small. So I will go in the appearance section, so double click on this font. So font style I will change, I will give it Times New Roman. I will make the text as bold and size as something 42. I'll make it as okay, fine, it's 42 is comfortably good. Okay, so I'll just drag it and just bring it at the center. Okay, so you can see the title of the map has also been added. Next is I want to add the north arrow here. North arrow, if I want to add, what I will do, you can add it from here also, add a north arrow, but what I will do, I've already downloaded and north arrow image, so which is present on my desktop. So for that I want to add the picture of that north arrow, means I will click on this one, I will show the area where I want that north arrow. Okay, so this is that area. So here, from SVG image icon, I will change it to raster image. I will show it the path where my north arrow is there, that is on the desktop. So I will click on this three dots and you can see it has taken me to the desktop. So I will select this image, open here, and you can see the north arrow has already been added. So I'll place it wherever I want. Okay, so I think this looks good. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so next thing is that north arrow also we have added one more map layout element or feature. Next is that we have to add the scale bar. So you can see here there is an option known as add scale bar. So I will show it the dimensions. So you can see scale bar has been added. So here the format has also been changed. Okay, so it is having only two segments, one and two. So I want to change the segments. So I will make it a bit more. Left segment I will not change, but right segment from two I will make it three. Okay, so you can see here segments has also been changed. You can just play as per requirement here with the options what are present. I will increase a bit thickness also. 30 from 3 I'll make it 4. Okay, so next is that text. Okay, this 0, 20, 10, 30 is very much small, means I will go in appearance, and in appearance I will go to font. I want to make the font a bit bigger, so I will select it Times New Roman tab. I will select bold. Okay, so size I'll make it something 22. Okay, I think 22 is fine. So I'm happy with this one. So I'll just click it here, uh, just drag and drop. Okay, so I'll place the scale bar here. Okay, so the next and last thing what we are going to add in this particular map is the legends. So for that, what I will click is from here, I will click on this add legend option. So here I will be adding the legends in this section here. Okay, so you can see here whatever legends are there, they have appeared. Okay, these legends are present in your this map. Okay, so I will come back to this print layout window. So here you can see in legend section there is it is showing me all the legends which are present, but I want to change the names now. Okay, so for that, if you want to give the name what I do want to desire the name of my choice, so I will uncheck this box first of all. So after that, what will happen, I want to show this box as study area, because that black color is nothing but my study area. Okay, so I'll double click on this one. I will just type here study area. Okay, that is fine, done. Come out of this. Next, streams I don't want to add, don't want to make it more, so I will click on this option, and I will want to remove it, means I will click on this minus option. You can see that option has gone from here and here also. Next is this dem. I want to show dem clip final if something is there, so I will be changing it to a proper name. I will be giving digital elevation values. I will give. So for that, double click on this option. I will just type it here, digital elevation values. Okay, so I think this name has is fine, good. So you can see the text has also been changed. Come back. Okay, so once you come back, you can see the names of your particular legends have also changed. But I want to change the format of the text, means I will click on this font option. Title. Okay, one thing is that I want to add the title. So for that, I will click on this title. Okay, I will show you how to add a title also. You forgot to add a title. Okay, the directly study area is coming, but at the top I need to give the title here. So for that, I will come here, and in title I will just type it legends. Okay, so you can see legends title has been added here. So I want to change the font style, means I will come in this particular. So whose font style you want to change? So first of all, I will change about legend. So I'll double click on this one. So here I will give it as Times New Roman. I will make it a bit bold, and size I will give it as 32. Okay, so this one is fine. So next, of the, I will come back here. Next of the subheadings means this digital elevation model, that is subheadings. So for that I will click here. I will change the style to Times New Roman. I'll make it bold, and I will make it something 22. Okay, so just click on OK. So I'll come back after this. So next is item labels. Also I want to change name this study area, and this values also have to change a bit bigger, how to make. So for that, how we can change means I will be clicking on this item labels, font item font. On this I will double click on this one. So it will take me here. I will select it as Times New Roman. So I'll make it as bold. So size I will make it something 18, or I can make it as 20 also. 20 is fine. Okay, so once it is done, I'll come back. Okay, but this looks a bit too much jumbled up, means very close it is. So for that, what I will do, columns, not columns, symbols width I will increase a bit. Okay, width I will increase. So similarly, height also will increase. Okay, so symbol height and width I have changed. Spacing I will change the space. I will add it a bit more. Okay, legends, you can see it has added a bit more spacing. So in groups also I'll do the same. Okay, it is not taking, so I'll go to atoms here. Okay, before also not before. So space between symbols, this one I will change. Okay, so you can see here that thing has changed, a bit of space is there. Okay, so you can play with all these features and see what all happens here. In this case, this is fine, what I think. Okay, so once this is done, my map is almost complete. But one thing you can see here is that this legend box is overshadowing this map. So this map should be dragged a bit more. So for that, what I will be doing, I will be clicking on this particular move option. So I will click on this map and I will drag it a bit up. So you can see it has solved my problem. So after doing everything, you can see the entire map layout of your study area has been created. So this is how you create the map of your study area. But this is in a print layout format in QGIS. So I want to get it converted to a JPEG format or PDF format. Okay, so for that, I'll be clicking on this layout, export image as. I will be converting the image to JPEG format. So click here. So on the desktop only I will save it. What name I want to give is, I will save it by the name study area map. Okay, so whichever format you want to just save it. So I've saved by this name, and these are the formats. So I'll click on save. This window will open. So whatever pixels and resolution you want, you can change it as per requirement, but in this case this is fine. I will click on save button directly and it will get saved. Okay, so you can see here, export layout successfully exported, layout 2, so and so. So I'll minimize this one. So after minimizing this, you can see the study area. The study area map has come here. The study area map has come here. So I'll click on this one. So you can see the map what we have created has come in this format, in the JPEG format. Okay, so this thing can be added in your Word format, text, whatever you want to make a project report and all. You can use this map for research projects and all. So this was a short video on how to create um, a map of your study area in QGIS, or this can also be known as giving the map layout elements to a particular map. Okay, so with this, I will stop this lecture here itself. So thank you, and hope this lecture was useful for you. Okay, thank